Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Afterpay Developer API, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you master the skills needed to integrate Afterpay into your e-commerce platform. To get started, you need to have a basic understanding of API integration and e-commerce development. First, you need to create an Afterpay account and register for a developer account to obtain your API keys. The API keys are used to authenticate your requests to the Afterpay API. You will receive a client ID and a client secret, which you will use to generate an access token. The Afterpay API uses OAuth 2.0 for authentication, which is an industry standard for secure authentication. To generate an access token, you need to make a POST request to the token endpoint with your client ID and client secret. The access token is then used to authenticate your requests to the Afterpay API. Once you have obtained an access token, you can start making requests to the Afterpay API. The API provides a range of endpoints for different functions, such as creating a payment, retrieving a payment, and updating a payment. Each endpoint has its own set of parameters and requirements, so be sure to check the API documentation for details. One of the key concepts to understand when using the Afterpay API is the payment flow. The payment flow refers to the series of steps that a customer goes through when making a payment. Using Afterpay, the payment flow typically involves the following steps: payment creation, payment approval, and payment settlement. To create a payment, you need to make a POST request to the payments endpoint with the required parameters, such as the payment amount and the customer's details. The API will then respond with a payment ID, which you can use to retrieve the payment details. Best practices for using the Afterpay API include handling errors and exceptions, implementing logging and monitoring, and ensuring security and compliance. It is also important to test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. In conclusion, the Afterpay Developer API provides a powerful tool for integrating Afterpay into your e-commerce platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can master the skills needed to use the API effectively and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers. Remember to always check the API documentation for the latest information and to follow best practices for security and compliance.